Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I get a lot of comments on all the YouTube videos. There's almost 500 videos now, so I can spend hours at a time, and sometimes I do on the weekend, Sunday, usually in the morning. I'll sit down, respond to all these comments, and and sometimes just laugh. You know, some of these comments are crazy, and some are good, and some are questionable, and some just make me laugh. Some make me fall off my chair. So I just got one the other day, previous video. It was from Ian Meyer. He's a longtime fan of the channel. He makes a lot of comments on a lot of different videos. And he comments, he says, do you shave your armpits, Geo? I was wearing this shirt in the video. So I can answer the question by sharing a story with you. The other day, I went into a store. No need to mention the store. I was wearing this exact same shirt. I really don't wear it that much, but I just happen to be wearing it that day. And I go to the register, take all my items out, I put them on the conveyor belt, and the gentleman behind the counter, you know, he's bringing everything through, and I get my card out, and it says, I look at the little reader, and it says, insert card. I insert my card, and I'm standing there looking at him, I'm looking down, he's done checking everything out, I look up, he's just looking at my shirt, and I say, it says, wait for cashier. He goes, oh yeah, he says, I was just reading your shirt. And I go, okay, what do you think? He goes, well, what do you shave? And he's still looking down at my shirt. And I think for a second, and I look up and I go, everything. And he goes, and then he quickly presses the button or whatever he had to do and then rings me up, gives me the receipt, and I'm gone. Sometimes it's fun to answer a question with a story of a true life experience, isn't it? Thanks, Ian. I liked your question. Need shaving supplies? I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.